Leetcode Biweekly Context 176. This is question number 1. Weighted word mapping. This is an easy problem. This problem is asking us to do a mapping with a few different steps. The first step is to get the weight of a character. The second step, get the sum of all letters. The third step, modulo 26. And the fourth step, do a reverse order. Then the fifth order, to map it back to another letter. But this is an approach. We're gonna solve this problem. Say for this A, B, C, D, then first step A equals to 5. The second step A, B, C, D equals to 34. The three steps module 26, 8. The first step minus 25, which is the reverse order 17. Then map it back. It is R. This is the approach. We're gonna solve this problem.